Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Vidiq and signing in so the extension can read your channel data. Click Add to Chrome, accept permissions, and sign in with the Google account tied to your channel. Once done, open YouTube and confirm the Vidiq icon is visible in your toolbar and that extra metrics load on video pages. This lets Vidiq access analytics and keyword tools immediately so you can proceed to optimization. Now you enable and use the core tools to analyze content. Open a video or the upload screen so Vidiq panels appear. Enable Keyword Inspector and tag suggestions to see search volume and competition. Once enabled, inspect the video score and competitors' views to understand what's working in your niche. Make sure to dock panels and set your default tab. This saves time because each page loads the same insights instantly and keeps your workflow focused. Finish by optimizing metadata and using Vidiq scores to publish confidently. Apply high-score keywords in the title and description, add suggested tags, and tweak your thumbnail until the thumbnail score improves. Then publish or schedule and monitor real-time stats from the Vidiq panel. Use a /B thumbnail tests where available to boost click-through rate. If Vidiq panels fail to load, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.